The LG G7 ThinQ is here, and with a big sharp screen, top-end specs, and a glass and metal build, it's clearly gunning for the top phones on the market, which makes the Samsung Galaxy S9 perhaps its biggest competition. Samsung's latest is a modest upgrade on the Galaxy S8, but still manages to be one of the best, not to mention the best-selling, Android phones around, thanks to its curvy display and flagship features. The G7 ThinQ and Samsung Galaxy S9 have plenty in common and plenty more that's different. So we've compared their specs and design and features to help you choose between them. So please make sure you stay till the end of the video to find out. In terms of design, the LG G7 ThinQ has glass panels on the front and back with a metal frame sandwiched between them. It's a familiar design which we've seen various of on numerous phones now, including the Samsung Galaxy S9, which also has a glass back and metal frame. Both phones are also IP68 certified dust and water resistant, though the LG G7 ThinQ might be slightly tougher, as it additionally meets MIL STD 810G military standard. Both phones have a small bezels and a fingerprint scanner on the back, and both have a speaker grill on the bottom edge. Though the Galaxy S9 also has a second speaker in the earpiece, while the LG G7 ThinQ relies on just one, but uses the inside of the phone as a resonance chamber to boost the bass. The LG G7 ThinQ has a 6.1-inch 1440 by 3120 LCD screen with a pixel density of 564 pixels per inch. It's bright, topping out at 100 nits, and it has a 19.5 by 9 aspect ratio, which means it's taller than a typical 16 by 9 phone. The Samsung Galaxy S9 has a slightly smaller 5.8-inch display with a resolution of 1440 by 2960 and pixel density of 570 pixels per inch. So far, so similar other than the size, and the aspect ratio of 18.5 by 9 is similar too. The Galaxy S9 can also reach similar level of brightness. Here's where they can get very different. The S9 uses a Super AMOLED screen rather than LCD one, which typically allows for superior contrast and more vivid colors. Samsung's screen is also curved, while the G7 ThinQ is flat, but the G7 ThinQ's display has a notch, which the Samsung Galaxy S9 doesn't. So in appearance, size, and technology, there are quite a lot differences here. In terms of OS and power, the LG G7 ThinQ and Samsung Galaxy S9 both run Android 8 Oreo, overlaid with their own skins. They also both have a dedicated AI hardware button, but while the LG G7 ThinQ is used to launch Google Assistant, Samsung launches its Bixby Assistant. Specs are somewhat similar, as the LG G7 ThinQ packs an octa-core Snapdragon 845 chipset, 4 GB of RAM, and 64 GB of storage, while the Galaxy S9 has 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB of storage, and either a Snapdragon 845 chipset or a similarly powerful Exynos 9810 depending on where you are in the world. There's plenty to consider if you're deciding between a Samsung Galaxy S9 and an LG G7 ThinQ. While the phones are likely to be similarly powerful, they have very different camera setups, different screen sizes and technology, different design, and different audio skills. Samsung's phone impressed us but didn't blow us away, achieving 4 stars in our review. So the LG G7 ThinQ could prove a viable alternative depending on what you want from your phone and how well it holds up in key areas like battery life. Cost is another consideration. We don't yet know how much the LG G7 ThinQ will cost, but Samsung's phone is expensive, coming in at £739 SIM-free. So what do you guys think? Do you prefer Samsung Galaxy S9 or the LG G7 ThinQ? Leave your thought in the comment section below. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next update.